I work as a DevRel for sqd, and I've got my methodology of like the way I do hacks, and I just kind of want to kind of go over that as well. So first, just to quickly tell you what sqd is. We're a decentralized data lake as a service. So we have petabytes of data, and you can just like stream it in real time very quickly from us, right? And we have tools to extract this data. We have indexers, different types of indexing tools. So basically, you have your contract. So you're hacking, you deployed your contract, you're doing it on a test net, and you want to mix it, say, with data, other on-chain data, and you want to do it really quickly. Say, I want all of Uniswap before data, for example, or I want some IPFS, like all of ENS data, for example, right? And I want to get it quickly. Right, you can do it using basically our tools. So just kind of like to kind of quickly go, this is actually my first time in the judging seat, so it's really exciting. So I just want to kind of go over my journey as a hacker. So for example, like I always start with the foundation, like I start with like a new project. And I love just adding like frameworks that I think that I'll need. So like I would have, so for me, it's very important to keep it modular, keep it simple, right? And I want something that's super flexible. So like I usually use like Node.js, for example. That's just like for backend, just JavaScript everything, right? Because it just works. It's so developed. Everything is in JavaScript. So, and for example, for this hackathon, I want off-chain data. I want flexibility, modularity, and the cool thing about sqd is that we have indexers. So one of them is like called the squid. So using squid, you can get off-chain data really easily. So you can like call APIs while you're indexing. You can get IPFS data, mix it with on-chain data. So I would say it's like a really good platform to kind of start hacking. We have a quick start, so you can go just get started, download the template, and basically start plugging your contracts in, plugging your data, calling APIs, say like for a dashboard or whatever, right? But basically, yeah, if you guys want to chat about data, if you need any help, just drop me a message. I'm like really, I'd love to help you out on the data side. I just add, if you always, start with, say, for example, subgraphs, drop me a message, and I'll help you get started with a super simple pipe, which I feel like it's just gonna save you time hacking. So would love to help out.